Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon.
First angle and third angle projection.
First angle projection is commonly used for all the countries other than United States US. The Indian Standard Institution, ISI, recommend the use of first angle projection. Third angle projection is commonly used in United States of America. Difference between first angle projection and third angle projection. The object is imagined to be in the first quadrant. The object is imagined to be in the third quadrant. The object lies between the observer and the plane of projection. The plane of projection lies between the observer and the object. The plane of projection is assumed to be non-transparent. The plane of projection is assumed to be transparent. When view are drawn in their relative position, top view comes below front view. Right side view drawn to the left side of the elevation. When view are drawn in their relative position, top view comes above front view. Right side view drawn to the right side of the elevation. Here is some more pictures for review. That's it for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe.